Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This was sent to me by a company for a review, free of charge. I don't get paid for it, anything like that, nothing affiliated with them. They just said, would you like to view one of our products? And I said, yes, please. So there we go. Charge time, it says here 6 to 8 hours. USB interface, fast charge, convenient, suitable for lighting to 6 to 8 hours, depending on power mode that you put it on. According to the top here, it's got SOS signal, USB charge, IP65 rated, and wide light. On the side, super bright LED USB. I don't know why I'm reading all this to you. Power 60 watts. 24 LEDs, 5000 lumens, 3.7 volts, 808 milliamps, 6 to 20 hours working time. Like I said, depending on what mode that it's in. Charge time, 4 to 5 hours. So I've got 6 to 8. I don't know what that means anyway. So let's have a look what it looks like. Save mucking about. There we go, straight into it. And here we go. It's got a USB cable in the box and a pamphlet with it. It did come with a bit of a bubble wrap, but I've unwrapped it and I've charged it just for our convenience sakes for all of us. But it was already charged. So this is what it looks like, a bloody giant light bulb, which is light, absolutely light as a feather. Like I said, waterproof. It claims to be pretty straightforward. You've got a power button on the top. You've got a 5-volt USB. This can be charged from any portable charging device, wall socket, or whatever you wish. And I've done that. I did it from in the house. I also did it from a personal power bank, and it worked fine. Let's fire it out. So first of all, you switch it on. This is bright mode. Now remember, this is daylight and it's not a bad day. It's not a bad day. Then we've got second mode, which is a little bit duller. Can you see that? Exactly. It looks a bit, well, you've done it, but it's not. And then you've got one more mode, which is even less than that. And after that, I think we've got strobe, according to the instructions. And then after that, we've got SOS. Beep, 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 beep. Dot 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 dash 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 dot dot dot. You know it sounds, and then when you go back again, it's off, and then one more, and we're back to bright. And that's really it. I will be doing a second, not a second video. I'll be doing a second part to this. It'll be part of this video, of course, in the dark, which I can't do that now because it's not dark. That's really it. I will leave a link in the description down below. I think it's a cracking bit of kit, especially being waterproof. You can hang it in your tent, you can hang it in your shed, outside in the garden, wherever. It says tent, but you can put it anywhere you wish, you know. Emergency light as well. Yeah, so you tell me what you think. I will finish the video off as soon as it gets dark. I will link it all. I shall put it in the video online. I shall put it on my YouTube channel. I shall put a link down below in the description where you can buy it from. It's off Amazon. Not too sure of the price. Wasn't expensive. I can't remember. Honestly, I can't remember. I've got a figure in my head about £12.50 or something like that. I can't remember. But it wasn't expensive. All right. And there we go. Nice little hook. Good strong hook, actually. Because usually there's no moving parts, it doesn't come apart, you can't do anything with it, you just use it on and off. It's as simple as that. It's that simple. All right, if you enjoyed that video, like I said, the night bit will be coming up, but if you could give it a like or a thumbs up, that would be great. It's not affiliated with anything to do with my Amazon, it's just there. Oh, we better switch it off. We'll have no battery left. So you go through all the cycles and then off. All right, take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. Okay, so it's got very dark. As you can see, we're in the cabin, and this is this little light I'm going to test right now. Lantern, should I say. So there we go. So that's full. I mean, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Okay, let's do, so we've got second mode, which is slightly less. Then we have third mode. That's pretty good, isn't it? Look at that. So it's even less. We've got a few lines. I don't know why the lines come. It's because the LEDs, isn't it? There you go. I mean, that is perfect. And then, of course, you wouldn't have this camping. You wouldn't have strobe because it would drive you balmy. And then you've got SOS. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then off. And then back to full. there we go. Hanging up, little hook works fine. So I presume on the lowest, which would be this one, yep, that would be what, 10 hours? So quite comfortably that would be, I think it's 10 hours. Strobe, SOF off. Yeah, they are, that's the lowest, and that's ample. All right, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great. I will put the link in the description for the item down below, in the description down there. Take care, thank you very much, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.